to Kenzenray's learning series. Congratulations! If you're watching this video, it means you're ready to take the next step in your learning journey. At Kenzenray, our core mission is to impact the world by advancing mankind. And we do this by helping good people become better, accomplish more, because we believe that has the highest impact on society. In fact, the word Ken in Kenzenray stands for knowledge or gaining of abilities, similar to the German word Kenntnisse, meaning knowledge. Think about how much time you spend in a given week for learning activities. If you're a school or a college student, you probably think it's all the time, but there's a difference between studying for an exam, for exam's sake, and learning. And if you're a working professional, think about how much time you have to learn. If you're not a voracious learner, we'll still inspire you to gain as much as possible within the time and interest that you have. If you are a voracious learner, we'll help you better channel your efforts. Let's start with a simple framework. All our tools, tips, and techniques in these videos fall into two categories. It's what we call formal learning methods and informal learning methods. Formal learning methods are more structured, there is a rigor, and there is a set pace to it. For example, let's say you want to study medicine. To become a doctor, you need to sign up for a program in a college or university. They have a start and finish, there is a degree at the end, there are exams you need to pass. So there is a set pace that you need to progress towards achieving the outcome that you're aiming for, and that's a formal learning method. Informal learning methods are the way that you learn on the go. And when I say on the go, you learn from things that are happening around you, and you set your own pace in what you learn. And informal learning methods, there are two types. There are intentional informal learning methods and unintentional informal learning methods. Intentional is when you go and seek out information, you go and seek out the knowledge you want to gain. For example, if you want to play a musical instrument, say the clarinet, you can experiment with the instrument yourself. You can also look for YouTube videos or buy books and experiment with the instrument yourself. And that's an informal learning method because you are seeking it out intentionally and you're experimenting and learning by yourself. Now, if you sign up for a class with a teacher who has a structured lesson plan and you progress lesson by lesson, that becomes a formal learning method. But in this case, if you experiment yourself, that becomes an intentional informal learning method. Now, the unintentional informal learning method is you gather knowledge from things that are thrown at you. For example, let's say you picked up something from watching the news, or you went to a movie for entertainment, but you learned about new culture because the movie was about one. And so from people around you, there are different ways where you can gather knowledge from, and that's an unintentional informal learning method. In order to maximize and get the best of life, you need to have a balance of both formal and informal learning methods, and that's what we're going to help you gain in our video series.